Hi friends, today we are going to see the demo on various aspects of database replication. In this demo, we are going to cover whether the database role or the account role get replicated while we do the database replication or not. Before we proceed with the demo, I would just like to draw your attention whether you have got a chance to look into my recent blog on the same. If not, then I would recommend you to please have a look on my recent blog on all the things about Snowflake database application for all the parts, and I will put the link of my blog in the video description. So let's start with the demo. So for this demo, I'm just going to use my primary account first, and I'm going to set up my context here. And first of all, I'm just going to create the normal account level role. Let me see if the role has been created successfully or not. So you can see the role has been created successfully. And I'm going to give some grants of the database, schema, warehouse, and all the tables, etc. Now we'll see whether the grant has been applicable here or not. You can see all the grants is there, right? So now if I go here, now I will go and create a database level role. So this database level role is a new feature in Snowflake, which is recently come as a preview feature. And if you are not sure what is database level role, I have given the detail in my recent blog on database level role, and I will put the link of this blog as well on the video description. You can go through them, how to use database level role and what are the difference between a database level role versus account level role. All the things has been very nicely covered in this blog. So let's go and create a database role. So you can see the database role has been created. We will see the database level role. Just to verify, you can see the database level role has been created. We'll give the grant of the schema, because by default database level role when created get the grant of database. If I go and execute, you will see the database usage grant is by default given. And if I go and give the grant of the schema and the table, and then if I show here, you will see that now I have the schema grant and the table grant just like the role. So now we have created the database level role as well as we have created the account level role, and now we are going to just give the refresh. So before we go there, I will just copy the refresh command from here and we'll just give the refresh here. So we will do the replication first. So let me refresh this. Okay, so we already see this, the database is there. So I'm just going to refresh this once more. So the statement is successfully completed, and I'm just going to see whether the database level role has been replicated or not. So you can see that database level role or database role has not been replicated. So the purpose of the demo was to showcase you that although the database role is inside the database, but still this database level role is not considered under a database replication or the account replication, but this replication of database level role is in the roadmap for future, and soon we will see that the database replication or account replication is supporting the database level role. So let's see whether the account level role has been replicated. So you can see no, because account level role resides outside database, and this is, if you want to replicate the account level role, you have to use the account replication and not the database replication. And once you will use the account replication, you will see that the all the roles account level role has been migrated. But even if you use the account replication, the database level role or the database role will not get migrated to the secondary account, because that is not yet considered into the replication. But if you want to see more detail on account replication, I will also share the blog link in the video description or in the my blogs. So hope you find this demo interesting and helpful, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.